Hello everyone. First of all, I have to apologize for not producing enough videos since my last video. As you might know, my health is not really up to the par, and some personal issues as well. Unfortunately, everything comes together. Anyhow, enough about me. Just I hope you accept my apology and understand the situation that I'm in. Anyhow, this video is about this very useful item. There are many videos about variety of these air blowers. They also function as a mini vacuum cleaner. Is after some research, I've opted for this one, which is not bad, but it has its own quirks and not so good features. Anyhow, this item's price is about £20. Some people, they are selling it for £25, and in my opinion it's worth every penny, as this multifunctional violent fan that implies is really multifunctional, especially now that summer is approaching fast and people, they might need a good fan with them at all time. But this one, it might blow your head off if you use it to the full strength. And then it's a little bit loud. Take it with a pinch of salt. It's very, very loud at a high position. Anyway, but still you can use it at the low strength. And let's go through the features that is listed on here. It says vacuum cleaner fan 2-in-1, and here it says a strong wind power, long endurance, I guess it means the battery, and then wide applications. Anyway, you can use this as a cold air blower as well. It's really good. Anyway, if you want to dry your hair at the gym or swimming pool, wherever that you are, and you don't mind the cold air, this one does it very good. And then on this side it says hurricane strong wind concentrator, and then higher speed motor, and then efficient heat dissipation. I don't know, maybe it's getting hot inside because of the the draining of the battery. And then ultra long battery life. It has two 18650 batteries that it accumulates up to the I think 4000 mAh. That is enough. And here on this side it says dust eliminator, inflate. Maybe you can inflate a small balloon or something, and then lower the temperature. It means when you're out and about, you want to cool yourself down. If this one is in your bag, you can use it to cool yourself down. Combustion supporting, it means when you want to make a fire, it can blow the hell out of the fire, the wood fire. And then a snow removal, and then pet drying. Yeah. Anyway, that is it. Let's get it out of the box and then we can talk more. When you get everything out of the box, you face with all of this, and it's very well organized. On this side you have the blower stuff, a little bit of nozzle. Here I guess you can use this to blow up a balloon or something like that, and then concentrate it for your keyboard blowing and something very precise. And then this one is a concentrator that is just like a hair blower, you know. It's going to direct the wind towards your hair or wherever that you want it to be. And then the item itself, and then on this side is for the vacuum that I'm going to demonstrate. And this one is just comes off in order to clean this one. This is the filter. I'm going to demonstrate this properly for you, and then you just twist and then closes, and then you have this one that it goes there and it sucks everything in there. And the other one is the brush. The brush is not bad. You can either use it like this or attach it to this one. Anyway, let me just go to the main item and then have a look at the user manual and then do a little bit of demonstration. As you see, this part is the area that sucks the air in, and then on this side is out, and this is the on or off. This is the strength lever, that is, you just slide it up and down, but it's a little bit hard to just do that. And then here is for the charging, and the charging is USB type C, and you have a hole there for the lanyard. And it's really well made. It's heavy. I guess it has 2 batteries, and if you want me to open this, you know, I tried a little bit, but you know, I wasn't successful and I didn't want to damage it. Some people, they use this to blow their leaves out of the way, or the, you know, from the car. And there are many applications if this one is strong enough. But you see, the caveat about these motors are that they are some sort of sonic noise is coming out of this that is somehow unpleasant. Anyway, and this is the on, this is the lower. I'm gonna demonstrate this. You see, if you hear this, that is the sonic noise that I'm telling you. That is coming and going, and it's now at the minimum. And if you look at my hand, that was just a demonstration about the speed and the strength of it. And then let's have a look at this and see the specification. You can pause and read this if you like. One side is English, the other side is in Chinese. And this is the specification. And as you see, it says working power 200 watts max, and 5 volt 2 amp for charging, and then the battery capacity is 7.4 volts at 4000 mAh, and it says that when you are using this at a high strength is about 13 minutes, and at low is about, I'm just trying to find out because it's really tiny writings here, but it's just, you see it says charging current fully charged for about 3 hours, and it says the lowest fan speed is used for about 120 minutes, 2 hours it means, and the highest fan speed is used for about 12 minutes. So that's really it. Now let's use these attachments. You see on this side it goes to the blowing part, and on this side going to the sucking part. And the sucking part is a little bit easy. You just put this there and then turn it, and filtering the air, doesn't let the dust to go in there. And then when you turn it on like so, this is the low, and then on high and it's not high, you know, it's a little bit more, we could do that, but it's really gimmicky, but for the keyboard and a small area is not bad. That's really it. And the fan is really strong. I can somehow show you with the hair on my body and my skin. It's really strong, but there are other air blowers stronger than this, but it has a bigger motor up here. So this is very compact. You can put it in your man bag, or you can put it in your car and use it as a fan, a hair blower, and or hair dryer, whatever you can use this for. And fully recommend this. And as I mentioned, the price is about £20, and fully recommendable, apart from the noise that is making and the sonic noise that is hurting your ears. Anyhow, this video is getting too long. Again, I apologize for lack of productivity on my channel, and I hope you don't get disheartened and, you know, unsubscribe. Anyhow, I love you all, and I really enjoy doing this, but I wish that I could do it even more. Anyhow, for the time being, the limitation is about what you can see, and I hope I get over it and get back to you as normal routines. Anyway, until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.